Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best electronic brake controls that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Tekonsha 90195P3. The brake control features an easy-to-read LCD display. There are multiple screen colors to choose, which makes it highly reliable. You can choose a display in French, English or Spanish. With the diagnostics which show output current, braking, and battery, you have full control of your trailer brakes. Different levels of customization are allowed, such as hydraulic and electric braking system. Integrated plug-and-play port allow for easy storage of the control when it is not in use. The 5 storable setting options with preferences of multiple drivers, and for pulling different trailers up to 4 axles. A flashing red warning system alerts user to no trailer brake situations. At number 4. ACDelco TC307 Professional Inline. ACDelco Professional Trailer Wiring Adapter Connector is an ideal high-quality aftermarket replacement component for one or more of the following vehicle systems: ignition, starting and charging, body electrical and lighting, and/or engine fuel management. This premium aftermarket connector is manufactured to meet or exceed your expectations for fit, form, and function. It is a premium replacement electronic brake control kit. Performance is guaranteed due to the great design of the brake control unit. The manufacturers took time to come up with a reliable unit. Easy-to-use design allows you to apply it in different applications. With the electronic brake control, you have full control over the brakes. At number 3. Hopkins 47284 Reliance Digital. The vehicle brake control comes with different accessories which make it achieve great value for money. It is very easy to install due to its plug-in connection design. Time-based settings make it easy to use. Its careful design allows for easy reach by the driver. You can mount it in any angle and it will still work well in controlling the vehicle brakes. With the short-proof design, it is highly reliable. Towing large trailers hinders your ability to stop quickly. Protect and control your trailer and vehicle investments with the Hopkins brake controller. Most state laws require the use of electric brakes on all trailers weighing over 3,000 pounds. At number 2. Draw-Tite 20191 iStop IQ. It is an effective brake control for up to 3-axle trailers. Self-diagnostic feature illuminates the LED readout when an issue with the brakes has been detected. Boost feature makes it work perfectly when reversing. Plug adapters used in the brake control makes it an effective unit to apply in your vehicle. Snap-in mounting makes it easy for users to remove and store it when not in use. At number 1. Tekonsha 90160 Primus IQ. A totally proportional electric trailer brake control, the Primus IQ is self-leveling, so no level adjustment is necessary. Utilizing the primary sensor technology from Prodigy, the Primus IQ now includes the boost feature that gives users the ability to apply more initial trailer braking when towing heavier trailers. It works proportionally in reverse for backing into tough spots and includes a snap-in dash mounting clip and removable electrical connector that allows the unit to be quickly stored when not in use. You will appreciate the digital readout depicting a secure electrical connection, amount of voltage delivery to the trailer brakes and diagnostic features incorporated in the LED display. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.